afternoon to all the faculty members and the speaker of the session. Today we have great privilege to have Dr. Vibhakar Shrimali sir with us. He graduated in Electronics and Communication Engineering from MBM Engineering College Jodhpur in 1987 and received his master degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Delhi College of Engineering, Delhi. He completed his PhD from IIT Roorkee and his research interest includes image processing with a special focus on image applied to medical science. He has been teaching electronics for the last around 22 years with the emphasis on to medical electronics. He is a member of IEEE USA, Society of Engineering in Medicine and Biology USA, a fellow member of IETE, fellow member of IE, and life member of Computer Society of India. He has worked for around 2 years at NIT Delhi as an officer on special duty when its academic activities were initiated at Delhi and has an experience of around 10 years in the technical education administration while working in technical education headquarters of government of NCT of Delhi on various capacities. Today, sir will enlighten us on very interesting and important topic that is human values and professional ethics. So, without much delay, I would like to invite sir to please take over the session and enlighten us. Sir, please.
Thank you, Dr. Vishal. Thank you. Good afternoon to all the participants. I hope everyone has uh, joined the session. And as I told to Professor Huda also, this is a high time for lunch. It is 1:30. So normally everybody would be looking for the lunch. Either many of them, they would have finished their lunch and would have joined and maybe feeling drowsy also, but to keeping them aware and enlightened during the session, it would be a difficult job. But let me see how successful am I with this topic, which would be slightly deviated from the routine topics what you have been listening in this program. So today we'll be discussing on human values and professional ethics. Before we go into the details of the nitty-gritties of the topic, let us understand the key words of the today's topic. The first is the human values. What is human? What are values? And then the ethics. These are the three keywords of today's topic. So first, let us understand the keywords. A human being. A human being is a psychophysio-sociology entity. Humans use their senses to find information about the surrounding world. Human senses have ability and limitations. Humans are very different from machines. They have cognitive psychology, senses, and mechanisms of reasoning. Physical quantity of humans are part of genetic heritage. Besides genetics, there are cultural factors affecting our behavior, which is very important. Let us see what are those cultural factors. Beliefs, language, art, and attitude. These are the key cultural factors which affect the human being, their characteristics. The second keyword is value. Values, value, it is a Latin word which tells about what are the strong points to be worth. A value is a principle or a quality that is considered worthwhile or desirable, validated by social approval. This is very important. Value is a principle or a quality that is considered worthwhile or desirable, which is validated by the social approval. Important is validated by social approval. A person may be thinking that yes, I have this quality and this is what is gives me the strength. No, it has to have the social approval also. So values are inherent in all societies, ideals, shared beliefs that bond a community together. So these two words, then combining these two keywords, human and values. What are human values? Universal values that span across culture, nationalities, classes. The desirable qualities inherent in every human being. Values to be brought out, not poured in. Values to be brought out, not poured in. Values are which a person has to bring out, which are not to be poured in, something which is to be poured in a cup or a glass. Values that are inclusive. They bring us together even when we have differences. That is more important. Even if we have differences on a particular issue or a particular value, but then the values are more important, and that brings us together. In a family, you have a standard values, and those values keep the family intact. They may have the differences in the opinion. The father and son may have a difference of opinion on a particular issue. Two sons may have a different of opinion in their expression on a particular issue, but it is the value which is inherent in the family which keep them bonded, bring them together, which is more important when you look into a perspective from a system. A system may be a house, a family, or it may be an organization, or it may be a department, or it may be a nation as a whole. So let us understand human values more importantly. Human values, what does the United Nations says about human values? Human values to practice tolerance and live together in peace with one another are as good neighbors. That is the preamble of the UN Charter of 1945. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reasons and consciences and should act together one another in a spirit of brotherhood. So that is important. Togetherness. You have to have togetherness, a bonding. So human values are keeping us bonded, a togetherness. So human values in our culture, let us understand that also. Make a list of human values found in your country culture that are most important to you. When you make a list, here I'll help you through a video clip. How can you get this list prepared for the human values? Let us see that very interesting clip about human values which are there inculcated or which are existing in our country culture. Let us see to it.
Sir, video is not visible, sir. Sir,
Okay, let me
sir, you have to share it again, sir. Sir,
get it through the
actually,
hyperlink. Let me see.
sir, you have shared the PPT. In case of that,